Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Um, I would like to set up Zoom conferences with each of my classes. I will give you a little bit of time because some of you might still be sleeping. But I will post on Google Classroom the link to go to each of the Zoom conferences. I think I'll do 15-minute conferences and I will start in an hour. So, first hour. I'll conference with you at 9 o'clock. The third hour, I'll conference you at 9:15, and so on. If you miss the conference today, I will do the same thing tomorrow. Okay, so try to make one of the two meetings, either today or tomorrow. I just think that it would be, I'm getting a lot of the same questions and they're just kind of procedural. So having a conversation with all of you and just checking in, I think would be a good deal. So sorry, first hour people, you're used to seeing me early anyways. So get your get yourself out of bed and get to a kitchen table, and you'll have to tolerate a conversation with your classmates for 15 minutes at about 9 o'clock. Again, just take a look at your specific Google Classroom, and I'll have the link and the time for today's meetings, and those meetings will be at the same time tomorrow. I'll have to do a different link, but anyways, today, as far as the workload goes, today is a science flex time. If you look at the plan book, again, I have the PDF for your plan book right down here. Also, the actual plan book site is open. So I have set aside today just for you to make sure you watch those first two lectures and answer the questions at the end of the chapter on the Google Doc. And if you're confused about what all of that means, that's the purpose of the conference today. And I can also kind of give you a little bit more of a detailed plan about how the rest of the week and next week is going to go. So I hopefully will see you all soon.